In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in to Freshsales. Logging in is the first step to access your workspace, view your leads and deals, and manage your sales activities. If you are ready, we can go through the process together in a simple and clear way. To begin, go to the Freshsales login page. On your computer or mobile device, open your web browser and type Freshsales into the search bar, then choose the official login page when it appears. This helps ensure you are using the correct website. Once the login page loads, you should see fields where you can enter your information, along with a button to sign in. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page before moving on. Next, enter your email address. Look for the email field on the page, which is usually labeled clearly. Click into the field, then type the email address that is associated with your Freshsales account. Make sure the text is correct and spelled properly, since even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. After you finish entering your email, you can move your cursor to the password field. Now you will enter your password. Click into the password field and type your password carefully. For security reasons, the password characters may appear as dots or asterisks instead of the actual letters. If you notice that you made a typing error, you can delete it and re-enter the correct password. It is also helpful to check that the caps lock key is not accidentally turned on, especially if your password includes uppercase letters. Once your email and password are entered, you are ready to sign in. Follow the instructions on the page by using the Sign In or Log In button. This is the moment the system verifies your credentials and prepares your account for access. If everything is correct, you will be taken to your Freshsales dashboard. If you want fast login, you can connect your Google account. On the login page, look for an option that allows you to sign in with Google. This option is designed to streamline the sign-in process by using your existing Google authentication. When you select the Google Sign-In option, a Google Sign-In window will typically appear. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity using your Google account. This may save time in the future, since you do not have to type your email and password every time. After completing the sign-in step, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. The dashboard is where Freshsales organizes your important information so you can take action quickly. Depending on your account setup, you may see sections such as your leads, deals, tasks, and other sales-related tools. Take a moment to scan the main navigation areas so you know where to find the features you use most often. If you see menus along the top or a sidebar on the side, those are the primary ways you will move around inside the platform.
If you run into any issues while logging in, the most common causes are an incorrect email address or password.
Returning to the login page and rechecking what you entered can usually resolve the problem. When you successfully sign in, your dashboard should load and you can begin using Freshsales right away. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.